Hi, my name is Josh with Midtronics, and today we're here in our lab, in our garage, with the xIM 100 EV Immobilizer. We support Type 1 charge ports, as well as NACS or Tesla type charge ports as well. It's a universal tool, and we just plug right into the vehicle, just like that. If the vehicle is immobilized, it will go automatically green, like that, within a couple seconds of plugging in. In either case, red or green, the user knows if the vehicle is immobilized, the status at that moment. I'll push the eject button to pull out the NACS connector. The xIM 100 EV Immobilizer has two caps covering the connectors on the Type 1 side and also on the NACS connector or the Tesla connector side. These orange caps protect the connectors. They also are attachable and detachable and can be replaced through this loop right here. We have a pry-bar, which is magnetic, sticks to the bottom of the tool, helps to pry open charge port doors. First of all, I removed the magnetic pry bar to access the battery compartment. There's thumb screws here, which you just twist to open. And inside it reveals the 4 batteries, CR123A type batteries, small lithium batteries. And these are simply replaceable, so they will last for up to 4 hours. Continuous runtime, so long life, powering the tool, powering the LEDs, and then simply replaced as needed. And then inside there is also a USB-C port in case software update is necessary for the tools as recommended by Midtronics. To check the internal battery status of the xIM 100, we're going to press the eject button for the NACS connector and also the lever of the Type 1 connector as well at the same time. And so hold them both down at the same time, and we get the remaining power level of the internal batteries. In this case, 4 dots indicates 100% battery life. So they're brand new batteries, and each dot represents 25% battery life, and they will turn red as the batteries are discharged. xIM 100 is Midtronics EV Immobilizer, indicates the status of the electric vehicle to boost the confidence of rescue operations and anyone else who needs to work safely around electric vehicles.